This video is going to be a full guide to being a standalone online degree student, and your questions like which online degree shall I pursue and shall I pursue an online degree as a standalone in the first place will be answered by the end of the video, and I'll be sharing all of this from my personal experience. Now first of all, I want to say that if you have the financial means and अगर तुम्हें एक half decent tier 2 tier 3 offline college भी मिल रहा है in a domain you like, please don't do an online degree as a standalone. Now full disclosure, I'm a very unsocial person. I love being alone, but trust me when I say this, you don't want to spend this part of your life stuck at home with just your parents. Now that I've cleared this, let's say you have some circumstances and you unfortunately cannot go to an offline college and you've made your mind that you're just gonna do an online degree as a standalone and you're really willing to just focus on that, then doing an intensive online degree like IT Madras PS might be a practical choice for you. The end outcome might be worth it, but you will be grilled in the process. And अगर तुम्हें एक hands off degree चाहिए जिसमें रोज पढ़ना नहीं पड़े, ज़्यादा intensive नहीं हो, then in that case IGNOU has a lot of courses. Coursera courses tend to be much less intensive than IT Madras PS degree, and there are private universities also like Manipal etc. But you need to make sure that if they have the return on investment or not. And that's it. Please subscribe to the channel.